What's up, everyone? Cutting up some peaches here, put up in the dehydrator. Got like a couple hundred peaches, so there's no way I can eat them all before, they all go bad. The squirrels and the birds will get to them, which I usually leave the top branches for them anyways. But I make a bunch of peach jam and I dry them so that I can enjoy them throughout the year, even when they're not in season. I'll show you guys my dehydrator right now. Check it out, it's right there on the right. It's a Gourmet brand. Haven't used it yet, so this will be the first try. Used other dehydrators before. This one's pretty simple compared to the other ones. It's just got a temperature on and off, and a timer on and off, and then two other buttons to adjust them. But pretty easy. You just cut up the fruit into small pieces that won't fall through these holes here on the tray. Here, let me see if I can show you guys a tray. So this is what one of the trays looks like, and you just want to fill it up, leaving a little bit of space in between all of them, kind of how I got on this one. I don't know if maybe it'll be hard to tilt without them falling, but there's space in between them all, and I got like an inch in between them, so they could have good air. And this one here is for smaller pieces, so you can try to not waste anything. These are kind of like crunchy bits when they dry. I like put it in this small tray onto a larger tray. But pretty good dehydrator. We'll see how it dehydrates all these peaches. Harvested like 40 of them just the other day. So I want to try them out. Saw a bunch of them getting ripe.